Bitcoin SB price investigation is currently bullish, or so they believe. Bitcoin SB actually exhibits negative energy at the conclusion of the week in an unobtrusive manner. In every aspect that matters, BSB United States dollar medium-term support has stayed at 45.49, which is highly crucial. Present Bitcoin SB cost is 38.2027, July 2023. In this video, we will lead you through Bitcoin SB cost examination for now or for the next week and basically attempt to address these frequently received clarification on some facts, what specifically is actually temporary cost expectation for Bitcoin SB. Basically, BSB has a very sensible interest in a very large scale. In an unpretentious approach, we discussed Bitcoin SB support and opposition levels, and so on before delving further into the BSB specialist investigation, which allowed us to examine the actual present economic problems in a fundamentally relevant manner. Market examination over the previous 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the total digital currency market to 1,198,816,136,743. Demonstrating how Bitcoin SB support and obstruction levels and so forth are lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In a straightforward approach, the total trading volume is at 30,093,001,7822. Bitcoin accounts for 48.37% of the entry market. While Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33, which most certainly is very huge, which generally caused Bitcoin's cost to drop down to 29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14, which is very critical. Various alternate cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to $1,899.09 during the previous 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents, FO Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. Following a 0.77 decrease in value, which essentially is very significant. These events generally demonstrate that the market specifically is going in a sort of descending course for most certainly the present moment, which truly is very significant right now. A kind of broad, quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that BNB, the particularly local coin of BNB, fundamentally is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging. Bitcoin SB support and opposition are significant specialized markers used to recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how BNB, the extremely local coin of BNB, specifically is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents in every practical sense huge way. Support essentially is a level at which purchasers truly become more truly dynamic and sort of prevent the pattern from taking a different path. Similarly, opposition is a level at which dealers explicitly become certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin as costs from moving higher. So market examination over the especial last 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the genuinely entire digital currency market to $1 trillion. 198,136,743, demonstrating how Bitcoin SB support and opposition levels and so on are displayed in an inconspicuous manner, essentially, or the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin SB BSB according to price analysis. Bitcoin SB execution market research. Bitcoin SB BSB is currently trading at 38.20 with an exchange volume of 80,244,998. Nevertheless, BSB has witnessed a price increase of 6.85 in the last 24 hours. BSB price changes 4.92 throughout the week, with a total market capitalization of $735,989,006 United States dollars, or so they thought. Bitcoin SB price analysis. BSB cost exam scheduled for July 27, 2023. Insight and in every way that truly matters. Day-to-day time period. In a fundamentally significant way, we use relative strength index RSI moving certainly regular union and dissimilarity MACD underpinning levels obstacle levels different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving kind of normal small and dramatic moving truly normal EMA to truly break down the future development of the Bitcoin SV truly. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which is genuinely huge in every practical sense. The BSV United States dollar is traveling in a very usual union, and the MACD pointer is indicating an amazingly current instant truly purchase kind of sign, as the MACD line is basically moving above truly signal line, which generally implies bulls truly are overwhelming on the lookout, demonstrating that Bitcoin SV backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish all things considered key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, demonstrating how BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB, for the most change frequently signaled truly is truly conceivable at this reach, demonstrating how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents following a decrease of 0.77 in esteem, or so they basically thought. The Bitcoin SV in a genuine sense has for the most part broken all its sort of supports levels, and things sort of are not looking truly great for the crypto market, so Bitcoin SV cost examination in a genuine sense is bullish today, which fundamentally is genuinely huge right now. Real. As a result of the Federal Reserve's 25 basis point rate hike, the price of Bitcoin is expected to drop by almost 3%. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $29,464, which is a small rise of 0.5% from Thursday. The Federal Reserve's move to raise the federal funds rate by 25 basis points caused the cryptocurrency's price to drop by nearly 3% in the last week. Even though the economy is growing slowly, the move by the central bank to tighten monetary policy has put some downward pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Investors and traders are keeping a close eye on how the market reacts to this rate hike, because it could affect how the coin does in the future. Even though economic growth is slow, the Federal Reserve raises the federal funds rate by 25 basis points. Even though economic growth has been slow, the Federal Reserve raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points lately. This ruling was expected and had already been priced in. And BTC got better the next day. According to the most recent report from the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, the goal of the rate hike was to keep inflation under control. Powell, who is in charge of the Fed, said that a rate change or a pause could happen in September. The group hasn't decided yet when it will meet next. On July 27, the European Central Bank, ECB, is expected to raise interest rates by another 25 basis points, even though the Eurozone is officially in a recession. This could put some pressure on the Bitcoin market to sell. Also, the Japan Central Bank is thinking